Hey, me and Jackie have come up to do the Blue Route at Llandegla. We did the green a couple of weeks ago and Jackie really enjoyed it.
How you doing, partner?
And now we're up nearly at the top of the Blue. Have you enjoyed cycling uphill all this way?
No.
No. But we're going to go downhill soon and I'm sure he'll enjoy that. Look, and there's where we're going, Jack.
What?
We're starting here.
Yeah.
Then we're going to work our way up. Up. That's where the green one went before, where we went last time. This time we're going all the way up these zigzags, all the way around there and back, so it's a lot longer. Okay, these weren't here the last time I was here, but then again I haven't been here for well over 10 years. And someone's done these lovely grouse carvings, because over there on the moorland over there is where there's supposed to be black grouse. Well, there are black grouse.
What black grouse?
They're kind of a game bird, but black grouse are quite rare, but they do live over there. Jackie's done really well on the hills, but he succumbed to not having enough gears. You alright, boy? That's it. Go on, change down, go on, pedal a bit. Pedal a bit. And go mad though. Right, we've made it up to the top of the hill. And we're just having some lunch now. Jackie's got a rather nice panini. I'd have liked one of those, but Mummy didn't make me one of them. Is it nice? You shared a bit with me though, didn't you? Good boy. Yeah, there are jumps, Jack. Good boy, well done. Let's go. Oh, got that wrong. Oh, it's cool. Flows nicely. See what the boy's doing? Yeah?
I could do those two other tie burns. They were too steep.
Careful. That flows. Hold on. Yeah, blue that way. Jack, slow down a bit. Stop for jacket. Oh, I've got a bloody bee in my helmet. Oh well. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, lovely.
Okay, let's go again.
Are you camera?
Yeah, camera's on. We'll wait till I get down there, then you come down. Oh yeah. Let's go. Film the boy. Apparently he's coming in hot. I can hear him. Oh, there he is. Here!
Mr. Lifetime!
Right there, Jack. There's lots of lovely downhill runs with hey. Hold on, stop. That way.
Did you see my bum down? It flew.
Down here. Yeah, lots of little downhill sections, nice flowing downhill with little bits of uphill bits every now and again. It's really nice. It's great from Jack. A little bit steeper here, Jack. Just stop and see how he does here. Well done. So this is a momentous occasion. This is Jack's ever first mountain bike crash. Did that hurt, Jack? A little bit.
Just a teeny bit.
Yeah, well done, boy. Happens to us all. We all have crashes, don't we?
I've once had to crash into a wall and then my ball like went up there.
Oh. So we've come up to about 9k of it. We've got about 3.5k left, maybe. So it's been real good fun. It's been great. Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's been great riding with Jack, and what's been really nice is that he's pointing out wildlife as we go along, like there's a blue dragonfly or there's a robin or a wren or whatever. So he's getting into the wildlife on the outside as well as just being out in the outdoors, which is great fun. It's great to see him becoming more immersed in it. Comes a boy. Look too fast anyway. Oh, no, he's sensible there, that's good. Jack's getting a little bit muddy. So he should as well.
Look at my bike here!
Yes, it's doing well. Go on then. Nice little berm here. We've joined back with the green now, so we must be getting quite close. Coming past the reservoir there. He's coming in hot again. We're going to go for that bridge again this time. Come on. So we just finished. Did you enjoy that, Jack? You did really well there, didn't you? Do you think Mummy and me should buy you a new bike now?
Yes.
I think we might have to, because your one...
He's breaking.
Yeah, and it makes it a bit difficult for you.
And look
You
at her.
definitely did well on that. Well done.